quick DIY. What I have here is I have these three candle holders here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And these three candle holders as well I got from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is decorate these. And I'm going to spray paint these right here. And when I get done spray painting, I'll be back. So I have some gold bling wrap that I'm going to put around these here. And I've already painted my frames. I've already painted my candle holders gold. So I'm going to put these around here and I'll be back. Okay, now that I have the bling wrapped on the candle holders, I am going to check and make sure that they dry. If they are dry, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and they're dry. So I'm going to glue these onto here with my super glue. So I'm going to attach these onto here. And all I'm going to do is glue the bottom onto here. Just like that. And I'll be back. So this is the finished product. I glued these around here. And around here at the bottom. And then I spray painted these gold. And what do you think? I think they are beautiful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share my videos. Have a good night. Hey y'all, welcome back to another DIY. Today I am going to attempt to make a bird cage. I have some succulents. I have a bird with some nests. I have some picture frames. I also have some reindeer moss. I have this broken frame here that I'm going to cut with my hot knife. So while my hot knife is getting hot, I am going to take everything out of my picture frames here. I think I'm gonna leave the glass in. I'm going to take out these little black tabs right here. So I'm going to put a dab of glue in each corner. Okay, now that my hot knife is hot, what I'm going to use it for is I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut this like this so these can be the same size. Okay? I'm going to cut down just like this with my hot knife. To attempt to get it to be the same size. Okay? So that's all I'm using my hot knife for, is to get these to be the same size. So I'm going to do these here. Get these two here to be the same size. Okay, so now that these are the same size and these are the same size, I'm going to turn this off because I won't need it for anything else. I'm going to set all this to the side right here. Now I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to glue these together like this. Okay, so I'm going to glue this side. Okay, now that I have this together, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these Jenga blocks here, these wood blocks, and I'm going to make a bottom base for my, what are we calling this? I'm going to call it a birdhouse. That's what I'm going to call it, a birdhouse. So I'm going to take these Jenga blocks here, and I'm going to put them together. And I really don't care if glue seeps out on top of these or not, because it's going to be covered with moss. So I'm going to try to put these together as close as I can. I don't know how many I have here. Let's measure it and see how many I'm going to need across here. So I'm going to continue to glue these together. Glue together. I'm going to take a little paint, and I'm going to paint the bottom of this gray. It really doesn't matter if I paint it or not. I don't want the sides to really show. So I'm just going to paint the sides. I'm not going to really worry about the middle here. So let me get a paintbrush. Probably would only take me one coat. This elephant paint is pretty thick. So it's probably going to only take me one coat just to cover the edges. Like I said, I'm not really worried about the middle, because I'm going to put moss on the middle. And you're not going to see the middle part here. So that's what I did, put a little paint around the edges, just the edge part. Because this silver matches the bird cage here. It's actually silver here, but it's a silver, metallic silver. But this is a dark silver, so I'm not really worried about it being dark. Okay, so I have this together. And it's dry. So what I started doing was just dropping the moss down in the bottom here. I put some glue down in the bottom here. So I'm just packing the moss down here in the bottom. I'm going to smash it down on top of the glue. I just put some of this glue here at the bottom. Some of this Aleene's tacky glue. So it's sturdy. It's not moving. It's glued to the base here. Everything is tight. So I think I have enough down in there. See, it's not even moving. I have it glued down in there. So I'm going to keep smashing it down a little bit. Okay, looks like that's going to work like that for me. So I got a little glue here I'm going to take off in the inside. Okay, I want everything to be nice and clear. And it is. So these ends here that I had from a previous picture frame, I am going to attempt to try to put these together. I may have to take the little wire pieces that are from the frame, and I'm going to glue them together like this. Yeah, I'm going to have to take these out of here. There's some little metal pieces in here. Okay. This picture frame broke, so I decided to go ahead on and try to use it. As soon as I opened it up out the package, it broke. So I said maybe I can use it for something. And I looked at it and I said I can probably use it for trying to make the top of my cage here. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. So I got this here. And I got this here. So I'm going to try to put it together if I can. And I had to put my bird down in there before I put the top on it. So I'm going to finish putting the top on it here. Voila. Here's my bird cage. And I just stuck this little red bird on top right here. But this is it here. Get all my little glue strands out of there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Get all these little glue strands out here. But this is pretty much the final product. I'm thinking about going to paint these because this is brown. But I kind of like the little rustic look that it has. It's giving me like a little rustic look. Kind of like that. It has the little gold up here from the picture frame and the silver from the back of the picture frame, or the gray. So I'm kind of liking that little rustic look. I also like the bird that's sitting up there. So yeah, this is it. Hope you can see it. Let me get my phone. Okay, so here is the final look. I tried to get a close-up so you guys can see it. And I think this is really cute for something for spring. I'm not going to set it out yet until I finish my living room. I'm kind of renovating it a little bit. Not renovating, but updating it. Springerizing it. If that's such a word. I'm getting it springerized. So this is my little bird cage. I love the little red bird. And I found this little bird here at the Dollar Tree, and I just loved it. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. So this is what it looks like, guys. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I might have to make another one of these, a bigger one. But this is really cute. I'm loving it. Okay? Don't forget to comment. Tell me what you think about it. It's kind of rustic looking, and I wanted it to be that way. I don't want to paint anything. I want it to be kind of rustic looking. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share. And you guys have a good night. Okay, so what I did was I took one of my succulents and I put it in the inside of the bird cage. So I think it looks good in there. Oh my God, I just love the way this turned out. This is beautiful. So you guys don't forget to leave me a comment. And here's my other one. I got the little red birds from Michael's. It was something they had on their holiday special. Discount day. So that's where I got it from. And they came in a little box like this. And I can't remember how much I paid for them. It says $12.99, and I think it was 50%. I think it was like 70% off or 90% off. But it says $12.99 on the back of it. But yeah, here you go. I just love the little red birds. I just can't get over this. This is really cute. Alrighty. You guys have a good night.